Hey folks, we're going to today be talking about properties. Maybe you've ended up with a situation where you have a can that lost its label and you're trying to figure out what you think this might be. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a tool today, and here's the fancy name for it. It's called a dichotomous key. I don't expect you to remember that, but it is a way of being able to sort things by their properties, which we've been talking about, and be able to come up with a way to maybe figure out what happened with this can. So I have all of these different things in my cupboard. So I'm going to go ahead and label my paper cans. Then I'm going to look at my cans. So I need to make two separate groups. So I'm going to make one group that's going to be flat cans and another one that's going to be tall cans. So on my paper, I then write two different groups. And this one will be flat, and that's going to end up, because all of these are tuna, okay? And then I'm going to say not flat, because I have lots of other ones. Okay, so these are taken care of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a way to sort these. I have some cans that are really tall, and I have some cans that are short. So I'm going to go, I'll consider that short. Short cans, tall cans. So I have short and tall. Okay. Now with my short cans, it looks like I have a couple cans of mushrooms. I have a can of olives, and I have a can of mandarin oranges. Now looking at these, one of the ways that I can tell is these have pop tabs on top of them. So they have the little tab on the pop, but this one doesn't. So my short ones, I can say, actually I'm going to switch these two around, because short ones, short, tall. Okay, because I have more room over here and I have more cans. So with the short cans, pop top, and no pop top. Okay. Now, when I get down to a single type of can, then I write down what it is. So that one is olives. Okay. Now with these pop tops, I have mushrooms and I have oranges. So I can go mushroom, orange. So this one would be fruits. This one would be vegetables, because I can sort them by the property of what they have in them. All right, so those are taken care of. So now I'm with the big cans. Now looking at these, one of the things that I can start with is by looking at the tops. If you look at the tops of them, there are a bunch of them are silver, but I have this one that has kind of a gold top to it. So for the tall, I can have silver top, and I can have gold top. And the silver top is spinach. Okay? Or I'm sorry, the gold top is spinach. Okay. So that one's taken care of. Now I can look at these. I can look at what's inside of these. These two are fruit and these are vegetables. So I can sort that by that. So the silver top, I can have fruit and vegetables. Now with the fruit, I can have peach and I can have apple. And with the vegetables, it looks like I can have, it looks like tomato or tomato. So one is going to be tomato sauce. And the other one is going to be diced. Okay, so I have now my dichotomous key. I have sorted through and looked at the properties of the cans and seen what I have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that mystery can. Okay, so the mystery can, is it a flat can? Nope, not flat. I'm looking at it, is it tall or short? I'd say it's a tall can. Does it have gold or silver on the top? Gold. So what is this can probably? Spinach. I could do the same thing with this can that lost its label as well. So it's not a flat can, but it's short with no pop top. So that one would be olives. So it's kind of a neat and handy way to use the properties of things in order to figure out other things. So that's what a dichotomous key is. So try one out, see what you can do. Canned goods are a great way of trying to do that, or if you have a certain type of toy or cars or something like that, it's really a good way to be sorting out your cars. So give it a try.